Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Permission for me to introduce myself. My name is Angga Robin Salafi with NPM 234111012 from management class 23C. Here I will explain and present material regarding the market balance. This assessment was created with the aim from fulfilling an assessment in a business mathematics course with lecturer Mr. Ade Chandra SMMM. Okay, next the point one in market balance. Okay, before welcome to my presentation on the market equilibrium. In this presentation, we will explore the definition of market equilibrium factor, influencing it, and shift in supply and demand impact the equilibrium. Market balance or market risk. If the agreed price between buyers and sellers which is formed as a result bargaining the existence of demand and supplies encourages buyer and seller to carry out a bargaining process to obtain market price. Market balance. A market is said to have a reset and the equilibrium price when the supply of goods meets and demands. The equilibrium price is when the supply of a good meets demands. Because of this, seller or producer will lower their price. So buyers can buy goods and use their service. Let's dive in. Okay, next to the point 2. Definition of market equilibrium. Market equilibrium refers to the state of balance in a where the quantity demanded by buyers matches the quantity supplied by seller, resulting in a stable price and quantity. It is the point where the forces of supply and demand intersect. Market equilibrium is defined as a condition where the quantity supplied is equal to quantity demanded, or the number of goods requested is in accordance with the price offered. This equilibrium price usually occurs when buyers lower price and the seller increase in price. This continues to happen until finally there is an agreed price. Thus, market equilibrium or market price is a condition where the goods the buyer wants to buy have the same price as the price offered by the sellers. Okay, next to the point of 3. Factor influencing market equilibrium. Number 1, supply factor. Cost, production, technology, advancement, competition, government regulation. Number 2, demand factor. Consumer preference, income level, population change, price of the related good. Okay, next, the point of the 4. Supply and demand curves. Supply curves. A graphical presentation shows the relationship between price and quantity supplier. The formation of market equilibrium price is due to the bargaining process. If the price offered by the seller to the buyer is expensive, then the goods or service will not be purchased or sold. Reporting from the Fortune collect with website. The market equilibrium price can also be seen in the form of a curve. Demon curve. Factors that influence market balance. There are many factors that influence market balance. The following things that have a potential influence market balance. And the number one, availability of the good as requested. A seller will provide goods in accordance with the quantity requested by the consumer. Number two, inventory of goods according the buyer offer. To get a price agreement, the buyer will make a offer to the seller. Buyer will also purchase extending inventory of goods from sellers according to what is needed. Number three, balance of demand with availability. Buyer need for good available on the market require seller to ensure the amount of the merchandise available. Number four, there is a equal amount of the procedure supply and consumer demand. A supply will be called effective if the procedure is able to sell goods according to extended quantity. Manufacturer will not increase the amount in inventory. Meanwhile, consumers are requesting goods in the quantities as usually. Next point, the 5. Determining equilibrium, price and quantity. Market equilibrium, the point where the supply and demand curves interest, determines the equilibrium, price and the quantity. Price shortage. If the price is below equilibrium, shortage occurs, leading to upward pressure on the price. Price surplus. If the price is above equilibrium, surplus occurs, leading downward pressure on the price. Okay guys, let's go to point 6. Impact of shift in supply and demand. Shift in supply. An increase on desired in supply can lead to new equilibrium with difference in price quantity. Shift in demand and the interest in the grounds and also a new equilibrium price and quantity. Simulation shift when both supply and demand change. The resulting equilibrium depends on the magnitude and the direction of each shift. Okay, this is an example of market equilibrium. Number 1, housing market. When the demand for house matches the supply available, a market equilibrium is achieved. Number 2, stock market. Stock price adjusts to reach a point where the quantity of buyers equal the quantity of sellers. Number 3, labor market. The price of the labor research equilibrium when supply and demand for worker are balanced. Okay, next the last point, conclusion and key takeaways. Importance of a market equilibrium. Market equilibrium promotes stability, equinosis, accolitation, and fair pricing. Number two, continuous adjustment for a demand constantly adjusts, leading to dynamic equilibrium in market. Market equilibrium serves as an indicator of the health and efficiency of a market. Okay everyone, maybe that's all I can say about market balance. If there are wrong words from me or my word hurt my clients, I apologize and ask Allah for forgiveness. And for friends who want to you ask question, maybe you any question, please leave a comment in below. Okay, that's I think enough, and the last I say, wallahul muwafiq ila aqwamit thoriq. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.